Welcome back to 12_5 Tech. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up ASH Tunnel VPN with a custom premium UDP Hysteria server so you can enjoy fast, secure, and reliable browsing. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you do not miss any important step. Let us get started. The first thing we need to do is download ASH Tunnel VPN. Now at this time, ASH Tunnel is not available on the Google Play Store, but do not worry because I will show you exactly where to get it. Open any browser on your Android device and in the search bar type UDP Custom, then press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website to go to its homepage. Once you are on the UDP Custom website, tap on the menu icon. From the list of menu options, look for the VPN menu and tap on it. This will take you to the VPN page where you can search for ASH Tunnel VPN. Once you find it, tap the download button to start downloading the app. After the download is complete, you may see a warning message when you try to install it. This is completely normal because the app is being installed from outside the Play Store. Just tap Install and continue. Once the installation finishes, go to your home screen and tap the ASH Tunnel VPN icon to launch the app. When you open ASH Tunnel VPN for the first time, the app will ask for your permission to send notifications. Go ahead and tap Allow. Also, keep in mind that this VPN uses reward advertisements to provide free servers, so make sure you have an active internet connection. You can watch a reward ad to increase your VPN session time and to load available servers. Once all of this is done, you will be taken to the main VPN home screen. Now it is time to configure the UDP Hysteria protocol inside ASH Tunnel VPN. At the top of the screen, you will see a config icon. Tap on it and a menu list will appear. You will see options like Import Config, Export Config, and others. For now, tap on Export Config. You will then see a list of supported protocols. From this list, choose UDP Hysteria. You will now see a form with fields that need to be filled in with your UDP Hysteria server details. Since we do not have a server yet, we need to create one first. Let us do that right now. Go back to your browser and visit the UDP Custom website again. This time, tap on the UDP Server menu. You will see a list of different server types such as UDP Custom, UDP Request, and others. We want the ASH UDP Hysteria option, so go ahead and tap on it to continue. You will now be on the ASH UDP Hysteria account creation form. Enter your preferred username and password in the fields provided, then complete the reCAPTCHA verification. Once done, tap Create Server to proceed. Wait a few seconds while the server is being created. Once it is ready, your server details will appear on the screen. Copy all the server details carefully because we will be using them in ASH Tunnel VPN. Now switch back to the ASH Tunnel VPN app. Back in ASH Tunnel VPN, fill in the server details including the IP address, username, password, and port number into the UDP Hysteria fields. Once you have entered all the details, tap Save. The configuration will be exported as a file and saved to your download folder. Now tap the config icon again, but this time choose the Import button. Navigate to your download folder and select the configuration file you just saved. The config will be imported into the app successfully. With everything set up, tap the large Start button to connect to the VPN. Once connected, tap on the Logs section at the top to verify that the connection was established successfully. To double-check that your VPN is working correctly, open your browser and visit a website like whatsmypadress.com. If your IP address has changed, it means your VPN is connected and working perfectly, and that is everything. You have successfully set up ASH Tunnel VPN with a custom UDP Hysteria server for fast and secure browsing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.